Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will explain you what is Apple Music Replay and how does it work. So let's get started. So basically, this is an app for the Apple users who listens their songs normally on Apple Music. So how does it works? So basically, if you have a listening history in the Apple Music, a great listening history, not 2 3 songs, they follow your genre, what you listen to, like for your pop or devotional music you listen, that will follow you, and that will create a album or a playlist for you automatically, and you can do it. So you can just go to their website as replay.music.apple.com. So from here you can sign in and you can listen. So if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.